Say soda, stupid.
We should get some soda.
This is what our lives amounted to. Deciding whether you want A&W, 7-Up 10.
Are you videoing me?
No. Oh! Alright, enough. You're gonna run people over. This is Ashley's first time driving in like 20 years. She's 24, so I don't know what that means. 25. You're too funny. I love you.
I love you too. Alright, we need a soda. We need a soda, stupid.
Love you.